So when you open this, you have to click on API docs. So once you click on API docs, and you can find out all this. So there is a update we need to see. Create booking we already done. We did with a direct uh, payload. We can call request body also payload. Okay. So all these terminals are used in the companies. Payload means you are giving an input. That's a payload means. And then we have done with POJO classes, and we are done with JSON file, right? Three ways I have shown you already. Now update booking also similar, so you can do whatever you want, right? So update booking, you can do whatever you same way. Either you can store in the in JSON file or in the same way. So if you want to do end-to-end testing, how can we do this? I want to update. If you want to update, first you need to create, right? You need to do a create. Then you have to do update also. So what I'm going to do is I will put all this data. So in the JSON files, basically I'll put all this. First I'll create. So with the post method, then I will extract the booking ID. Then I will get the request validation purpose for get call. Then I will do update. Or once you do post, then you can do update. No need of no get call. So we'll do post. Then you get the booking ID. Based on that booking ID, you can update that. Right? So these are the different test cases. We will do that. So already we have reading the file, but yeah, I will create a new file, single booking. I'll take a single booking one. Okay. And only one booking is enough for us. So we don't need so multiple booking. I'll just copy paste this entire thing in one JSON file. We paste this. So where is the data files we are keeping under here we are keeping, yeah. So I'll keep here single booking. I'll put let's keep JSON, right? Single booking dot JSON. Okay. Why it's not pasting? It's very slow. Yeah. So we're done. Single booking is ready. So this is the one file we have to read. And observe one more. For put call, you need a token. So you need to give a token. So you need to create the token data. For that token, we already seen here, right? You have to give this data. This is the one. Okay. This I'll create a token data one file, token data.json. So I'll just create a new file, token data.json file. That's it. I'm not doing anything, just whatever the data we have, and I'm doing that. Next, we have, so update data also we need, right? So update data also, you can just do that. So update booking, just update it. I'll update this data. Let's create update booking. Okay, I just kept it. Now, so we set all the data. So I need to read these three files, right? This file is for creating the booking, and once I create the booking, I will update it. So token data and update booking. So read all this, okay? So let's write whatever we have already. Same thing you can take post method. So where we have already written using JSON file, right? This one I'll take. Copy paste this. Copy and paste under the same package. Paste. So you can say put update booking using JSON file. Put update booking using JSON file. Okay. So already we have our data. We know before method and so JSON file. So we don't need to do this data driven, right? We'll just read. Okay. So you can ignore this. I'm going to read the data. So this also we don't need. So I'm going to read the data. So you know we have used file utils, read file to string, right? String. That is the method we are going to use. Already we did on the bottom side. Let's call that. So where is that data provider? Let's remove this. No, we don't need that. Yeah, here we have. You can just take this. That's it. Only this line. We don't have any array here. So let's take this. So first you need to read the data. Try. So read file to string. So what is the file? Single booking, right? Single booking. Single booking dot JSON. So this is the post data, post API request body. Yeah, fine. We can, so we are handling that with a catch block. So either file not found exception. Okay, that we'll see. Then we have to read token for the put call. So every put call required a token. Maybe it is asking to replace IO exception. Fine. So we're good with that. So we have three things we need to read. Token data, and one more, put request data. So token, you can see token data dot JSON. Just change here token data. Next one, update booking data. System becomes very slow. Update booking data. So this one you will give a name, token API request body, and this one you will give put API request body. Okay, so file utils, read file to string. This is a method you need to remember. Easy. So after this, the first thing you need to do is the same try catch block itself will keep going. So first one is send post request. So already we are doing, everything is same. Let's remove these things. We have a code, everything. Remove that. remove that. Copy this entire thing. Okay, just give this one. That's it. Remaining all same, right? We know already this. So we did in last class. So post. So rest assured dot given content type. So body post API request body when post. So booking. So status code is this body extract and response. So then we are printing this response. Then I am getting the booking ID. The booking ID you can use globally and I can take it back. Right? Otherwise you can you don't need this also, but yeah, we just kept if booking ID is not there, right? Then this will help you. That is the reason we are so putting it. So string booking ID we have to declare globally. Oh, already we declared globally. See, that's why it is very useful, and the color also global variable color. This one I don't want multiple this bracket. So let's remove this. Capture properly. Avoiding confusion these try catch blocks. Off. Any questions on this? I'm not doing anything. Yesterday, whatever we did, the same thing I'm doing here also. So this is also not required. You can remove that. Now, so this is the create booking. Next we can do a update booking. Get booking we don't need. Let's do update booking. Or you can continue here itself if you don't want all this. I can continue here itself. I don't want to, right? I can continue here itself. So let's remove this. Right. So we need to do some extra. I'll show you that. So we need to do a token generation. First, before this, you need to do a token generation. Here I'm going to do a token generation. So that is a step 2 token generation. So what is that? Token generation URL will be different. So I'm going to write a rest assured dot given. So you can add all this content type. I can give content type dot JSON. That is the one. Dot So body, you have to give a body for that, right? So what is the body? Token. Why it's not showing? Okay, that block is different. That is the reason. Okay. So what I'm going to do, how you can resolve this? Put it a global variable. Put all these things a global variable. Then remove the data type here, so that it will be available in all the places. Put only. So post not required. Yeah. Then we are good. Now you can call anywhere out of block also. Token API request body. So then you can give a base URL. What is the base URL? Base URI. So this is the base URI. This is the one. Just copy this as it is. That's a given means a precondition. Remember, okay? Given means a precondition. So I can move all this under this. Basically, these are all under given, okay? That's the meaning of that. Dot when, right? Dot when. So what is the method for a post method? So you can see here everything is available here. See, the method is post method, and you have to give a data. So that we have given data already here. So post method. After that, you can verify. Yeah. See, that is how I am separating given, when, then format. All the then below, whatever the methods you want to verify, you can do that. Aside that, you can put so then status code, right? So then response method. First extract, right? Extract after response. So this response is going to return to you a response object. Response, you can say token response. Token response. Okay. So now you can just get that token. Maybe this also I'll make a global variable so that it will be easy for you guys. Now we have already method, right? So JSON path validator. We have a JSON path validator dot read method, simple read method, and use token response, comma. So the token field, which field you are reading and you are storing there. So then this is not required. Next one, what is the third one? update the request by ID. Using put call. Now I can put this put response. Right? It's easy to do that. And here, okay, before method is not required here. So I'm writing automatically in one step only. So I can put a base URI. I have commented this. Very slow. Okay. So first see the order. Post method, then token generation, then update call. So in this update call, you have to give, so body, again we need a body, right? So you have to give a body. So let's give body dot body. So put API request body. So put API request body. Then you give the base URL, right? So first I'll show you with the header. In the header, how to add this token. So how can you add this in the header using header? So let's go and see that. Yes, we don't need. I can see. So body is done. Next to header. So in the header you have to give cookie. I'm using cookie, setting with the cookie, and comma token equal to plus token. So after that you give base URI. So what is the base URL? So you give the base URL, base whatever, this is the base URL. Dash booking, right?